Hey guys, this week I wrote a blog called How to Deal with Change, given it's such a relevant topic, something we're all going through collectively, within ourselves, as a community, as a global community. We've all been through so much change. We're going through incredible change and transformation. Yes, that's really hard, but there's also beautiful aspects of that. So much stuff coming up for us that we can transform and let go of, which is going to make us happier and healthier people. I went through this 11 years ago when I was paralyzed in a very similar way. I was confined to four white walls, and I couldn't leave because of my body, and that came with the darkest times of my life and really difficult things to work through. But what we're all about to experience as we come out of lockdown is, because of polarity, the joy that you're going to experience as you come out and appreciate just the little things in life again is going to bring you so much joy, and it's going to be very healing. And I just can't wait. So it's really exciting times. But I thought I'd write a blog all about how to deal with change so that we can continue to transform our lives, so we can really create the mind, body, and life that we're truly wanting. This is a second chance. This is how I feel. When I came out of rehab and I had a second chance of life, and this is what we're all going through. If you can see that this is a second chance, what have you been nourishing? What have you been growing within yourselves? What have you been reflecting on? Now's the time to bring it into fruition, and to become this whole new version of yourself. And your thoughts are going to change, how you think and feel, and this is going to shift your biochemistry. It's all in the mix, and that's going to manifest, and you're going to bring into your life all these new things. So I'm sure you've all been doing some incredible work, and I hope you enjoyed this week's blog, because it's all about that and how to master and deal with change. See you next week.